Good morning, guys. This is Food by Faith Garden to Table, and welcome to my kitchen. Guys, I have something that I have got to show you. So, today I am taking a 2-hour journey and I need to deliver some food to someone. I want you to see all the food that I have on this counter. So, we have a whole chicken, we have 2 rolls of sausage, we have a pork shoulder, we have a package of sausage, and we have 4 pre-made meals as well as a package of hot dogs. So how are we going to get this food to the destination and it still be nice, frozen, cold, and in good quality condition? Well, I received this bag in the mail, and you guys know when I do my farmers markets, I usually have a freezer bag with me, and I have one that is on wheels, and it only has 1 compartment, but I received this in the mail and I really wanted to check it out. So here's a compartment here, here's a compartment here, here's a zippered compartment here, and then this area right here, you can place a label. So you guys know that, again, I do a lot of traveling. I take food all the time. So let's see if we actually can fit all of these products into this bag. So this bag can be your traditional cooler bag, or you can use it for your lunch. So if you're going on a picnic, going on a beach vacation, you can use this bag as well. But I am going to challenge myself to the max to see if I can get all of this food into this one bag. Remember what I told you, we have 4 pre-made meals, we have 2 rolls of sausage, we have a whole chicken, a pork shoulder, family size, a package of hot dogs, and a family size package of sausage. Let's see if we can do it. So here's the top zipper. We're gonna open that up. Here's another zipper, and this is actually an extension zipper. So we're gonna open that up, and it does extend it quite a bit. It extends the top quite a bit. And then we have a 3rd zipper, and that zipper opens the bottom portion. So we are going to start with the bottom portion, okay? Let's put our family size Boston butt for our pork shoulder, our family size package of sausage, and I like to pack as neat as I can. Okay. Now we're gonna put our chicken, and this is a 4-pound chicken, and then our package of hot dogs. It all fit in the bottom, and it's still space to put something else there. So we're gonna close that section. And now we're gonna work with the top. And remember our 4 ready-made meals. In the top. We have those areas closed. But guys, we still have our 2 rolls of sausage. So let's see if there's a space that we can place those in. So on the side, where our handle clips, we have a zipper. Here, we're gonna place 1 roll of sausage. We still have 1 roll left. And in the front, remember our zippered area? Our last roll of sausage. And we actually could have placed both of, let's see, our rolls of sausage directly in the front. And we still have room on the side here if you wanted to place an ice pack there. And then room on the side here if you wanted to place an ice pack there. Wow, y'all. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to deliver this food, and I know that it is going to arrive safely. Guys, thank you for coming along with me as we tried to pack this food into this lunch bag as we reviewed this wonderful product. Guys, you know that as gardeners, a lot of times, as gardeners, as foodies, as what we call content creators, people want us to review their products all the time. And there are times where 3 or 4 times I've turned down products. But because I know that I travel a lot and I do deliver food to different people at different times in different areas upwards towards 2 hours away, I wanted to try this product to see if it would work for me. So guys, it's working. And I hope it works for you as well as it's worked for me. So as always, get up, get out, and grow something, and have faith in our food. And I'll see you the next time. Happy gardening, happy travels.